Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping all build processes and closing Android Studio so files are consistent. Once done, remove transient folders like Gradle and module build directories to reduce size. Make sure to preserve source, manifest, Gradle scripts, and configuration. You should verify your project's target SDK and Kotlin or Java versions so the recipient knows compatibility. Finally, confirm your VCS snapshot exists or make a lightweight backup. This prevents accidental loss while you prepare the zip. You now run a clean build. Open a terminal in the project root and run /gradlu clean to remove generated artifacts. Once clean, explicitly gather only source folders app/src, Gradle files, keystore if needed, and important configs, exclude. IDEA local, properties, and build caches. Then create the archive. On Mac OS/Linux, use zip-r project name. Zip folder x ****build/******/ Gradle/***. On Windows, use a GUI compress or PowerShell compress archive. This keeps the package focused and portable. You finish by testing the zip. Unzip into a fresh directory and run /gradlu assemble debug to confirm the project builds. Once validated, add a README that lists required SDK, Gradle, and Java/Kotlin versions, and keystore instructions so others can reproduce your environment. If something goes wrong, first ensure you didn't exclude essential config files like settings, Gradle, or keystore paths, then check for Gradle or Java version mismatches. This troubleshooting step resolves most rebuild failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.